Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of pack opening. FIFA video now as the Ultimate Team new season. Well, the new limited edition of the BPL league, Leicester City is coming out. So I currently have 20 of premium gold packs. Just check it out. Look at that. That worth another gold pack. That worth 150k. I'm gonna open that in the next video. So keep in mind. In this episode, I'm going to just buy some premium gold packs because it's about to it's weekend. It's probably the one of the best time to open packs. So let's go. Open pack. And keep in mind that they're a BPL match of the week. Wow. I think I should open one of them later. So let's go. Premium gold pack. Here we go. First pack. Probably nothing. It is something. Well, I'm here to. I want to find some. The BPL league players like. It's gonna to transfer. Yeah, and before that, I think I'll open some packs to improve my pack luck. I'm going to open 3 packs. 3 free packs. So probably nothing here. Nothing. Very good because we cannot sell them. For no points. So another pack. Nothing. Alright, cool. So let's open another pack. Oh, no. I'm going to open a gold pack. No, in the last. Here we go. Boom. Nothing. Alright, so the pack luck may be improved a little bit. I'm going to open packs now. So yeah, nothing. Oh, we may guess got some colorful badges. Like all the time, people are getting informs and blah 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 blah, and it's just normal. You are not getting anything. It is so normal. You just what do you do? Just open packs. Looks like our pack luck have not been improved. So don't worry, just open them. Maybe I should open another disc pack. Just maybe. You got nothing. Imagine that you got a Team of the Year Messi and in a free pack, and you cannot sell them. Wow. That should be a good thing. You know what? Wow. Oh wow. Alright, still open packs. Still getting nothing in those packs. Like, you got nothing. Just open packs. I'm still open 3 packs. What am I doing? Like, it's all useless. Those 7.5k, although it's free, it's for free, man. It's just for free. Why not open them? So we're still getting squad fitness. That what I really need right now. Open some packs. Wow, that guy looks creepy, man. Wow. Just gonna sell them all. Skip. Alright, still nothing. Looks like it is not a legit time to open packs, but whatever. I'm just going to open some packs. Boom, a ball. Alright, looks like we're all open all this free pack in this episode, but don't worry, I'm going to got a lot of another free packs in the next video. So keep in mind. No, yeah. Did I just sell them all? I don't even remember. So nothing. 81 center forward. Just discard him. Look at this, those free premium packs. Just open them for free. That is so easy. The people say that the good players are also always in the last pack, so you have to just keep on. So we may not be so durable because we have just a little amount of money. So the free packs might be a very good chance to let me stand to the last time. So what do I have? I have about five premium gold packs. Let's open them all. So we just opened like 160k of packs. We will, I mean. Alright. I'm kind of excited. Like, although this team of week is not very good, but we have a Bundesliga center back which is 85 rated, and we have a Jordi Alba 87 rated, and Ibra 98 or no, 98. That's sick, man. But it's like they're only like maybe like a 0.001% to get that player. So it's so impossible, but everyone's still trying. So there have to be someone who gets that player. Alright, this is the last free pack. We get nothing. We got nothing. I mean, seriously. So discard that. Now the problem is, do I still keep opening packs? Of course I do. But here I'm opening this. Okay. Should I open this? Should I? Or should I? Let me possibly. You know what? You know those BPL like they have a that the Leicester City or that the red badge. I don't even know. Arsenal, a special limited edition guarantee. So I think I should open that. Let's open it. Woohoo! Wow, 91 pace. But we all already own those players. So let's see how much we can sell them for. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, he is cool. So two transfer. Put them all in transfer list. So cool. We just spent 400k. Pretty cool. Although we got nothing. So I think I'm going to end this video right now. We have opened 60k of packs, almost. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.